All right, friends, this is the second problem on slide 12, time spent playing outside on the weekend. So we have the number of hours spent outside and how many people spent those hours out there. So we have someone who spent 4.5 hours, 5, 7, 5.5 hours, 6.5, 7, 6.5, 7, and 5 hours. So just like with caret lengths, number one is you're going to move the sons to fill in the graph. Again, if the first one is 4.5, I'm going to click and drag my son above the 4.5 on our line. And then I'm going to delete it, whether it's marking it off with an arrow, completely deleting it, whatever you decide. You're going to do that for all of your sons. Then, how many students were playing outside? Okay, I just want to know how many students there were. Okay, if you think about it, each son represents a student. Number 3, which time did the kids play outside the most, or what the mode is? If you need to go back to this slide to realize what to do with how to find the mode or what the mode is, refer back to it. But it even says, which time do the kids play outside the most, which is the mode. So which hours had the most kids? How many kids spent more than 5 hours playing outside? So 5 or more hours. And then what is the total amount of kids that, what is the total amount of time that the kids spent playing outside? So you're going to have to add all of these up. Again, in our previous lessons, I would maybe add the halves first and then add those to your totals. So number 5 is how much time was spent total of the kids playing outside. Good luck.